Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you how to fix the black screen issue on the JSW TV. Alright, so as you can see here, this is a JSW TV, and in case you're having the black screen problem, where of course the display is black or blank, and of course in some cases you might be hearing sound but no picture on the display. Alright, so it can be easily fixed on these TVs if you know how. Alright, so I'm going to show you to fix that. Alright, so you might get sound, you might not get any sound, but when this is happening, the display simply won't come on. Alright, so first of all guys, you're going to go ahead and unplug the TV. So go ahead and unplug the TV from the wall. Next, when the TV is unplugged, you're going to go ahead and right here, let me show you right here, your model might be a little bit different. So what you're going to do from here is you're going to go ahead and you're going to feel just beneath here. There should be several buttons on my model. There's quite a few buttons here. I think there's roughly maybe about 6-7 buttons, and of course towards the end there's the power button right here. Alright, you might need to look at yours and to verify what's going on. Alright, so it's a little bit dark, but here are the buttons, and of course the power button is right here. Alright, so from what I was showing you earlier with the power button, you're gonna go ahead guys and you're gonna feel in this area right here. Alright, so while the button is unplugged right at the front, very close to the JSW logo, you're gonna feel and you're gonna find the power button. Alright, I found it right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hold down and I'm gonna press, and you heard it just press now, and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna count from 1 to 60, so keep it held down firmly and count from 1 to 60. That's about a minute. Once you have finished, I want you to go ahead and let go. Now do not do this with the remote. You must press the physical button on the TV. Now some people tend to claim that there's no buttons on their TV. There is a button on every TV. They do not manufacture TVs without buttons, so please go ahead and locate yours. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do is plug the TV back in. Alright, now that the TV is plugged back in, there should be a red LED right about here, and of course you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna press the power button. So press and hold for about 2 seconds and the TV should come on. Alright, do note if the TV doesn't come on for your JSW, go ahead guys and you're going to do it again. You may need to repeat several times. In some cases 2-3 times, or even more in some cases. So if it doesn't work, go ahead and turn the TV off, unplug the TV, and once you unplug the TV, go ahead once more and go back through by pressing the power button and repeating the process. Hold it down for the 60 seconds, release, plug it back in and try to power up. Alright, if that fails, go ahead and unplug it and leave the TV unplug overnight, and in most cases if you try that and then try to power it up in the morning, it should fix the black screen issues that you're having with your JSW TV. If you have any direct questions, you can ask them below. I'll gladly try to help you out. See you in the next one guys. Bye.